Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on install apps, search a store, click on a system components. Now here is the Microsoft Store. Click on these three dots and go to your advanced options. Scroll down, click on a repair. Click on reset. After that, close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a run and open a run command. After that, type a ws reset and press OK. After a few seconds, now you can see that a Microsoft Store is open. Sometimes it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the run commands, first of all type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Now you can see that for this procedure required a restart window, because in my case is a restart is pending. So if any restarting is pending, then first of all restart your PC, and after that set up this command. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.